How to use a heat press to make custom shirts in 5 steps. Right now, I'm using this average heat press. If you don't have one, your local library might have one. I'm actually at Reed Memorial Library and they have a lot of equipment like this heat press. Then you're gonna need a material. I'm gonna use heat transfer vinyl. It'll work well with pressing it onto a shirt. Oh, and you're gonna need a shirt. Step 3, you're gonna need designs. I actually cut all these things out with the Cricut Maker 3, also at the library. Reed Memorial Library is awesome. Step 4, arrange your designs in any way you want to on your shirt. Step 5, take your heat press and press this down firmly.